In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson XP 4200 printer that is printing the blank pages. For example, I was just trying to print this page. So if we click on the copy button, you will see it is just printing the blank pages. There are two reasons your printer is printing the blank pages. First is there is no ink in the ink cartridge, and second, the printhead is clogged. Go to the display panel, so we'll find out the exact reason for that. First we have to check how much ink is there, so select the drop icon on the screen and press OK. Right now we can see our ink level is in. Right now we can see the ink is full, almost full. So it should be printing. That means printhead is clogged. So we have to unclog the printhead. Click on the home button. Scroll ahead and look for the maintenance and press OK. Go down and select first option, that is printhead cleaning. We also have the second option, power cleaning. We should use power cleaning in case printhead cleaning gives no result, because power cleaning always uses a lot of ink, whereas the printhead cleaning takes very less. Select printhead cleaning, click on the start. It's going to take around 3 minutes for this process. Let's see the print result. So it has done the printhead cleaning for once. Still pages are blank. So again we will go to the display panel, click on the X button, and again click on the printhead cleaning and click on the start. Repeat it for 3 to 4 times. Has done the second printhead cleaning right now. So if we check on the printed screen, we can see 3 ink colors has started to work, whereas the black ink color has not started to work yet. That means now we can do the third printhead cleaning. Again go to the printer display panel, select X and click on the OK. Scroll down. So we can see the lines are like some segments, not all the segments are broken. Still we are going to select the first option, that is cleaning, not the power cleaning. So let's do the cleaning for the third time. Click on the start. Again it's going to take 3 minutes. Let's see the print result. On the third time we can see color ink is still showing up like before, but no black ink. That means we definitely need to do the power cleaning. For some reason the black ink is clogged too much and it's not coming out. Go to the printer control panel, select the option X. There is one more option, that is you can wait up to 12 hours without printing and then check the printer nozzle check sheet. So it will display if your printer is working, if the black ink is showing up or any other ink that is not showing up is printing or not. So click dismiss. Control panel, we have to check the ink status. So go to the ink drop icon and press OK. Clearly we can see the black ink is low. That means we definitely have to replace the black ink cartridge or we have to refill it. Only then the black ink cartridge will work. So this way we can fix the printer that is printing the blank pages. Any of the ink that is low will show up here and we can just replace them or refill them. Thanks for watching.